To check your transaction history on Giropay, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Giropay account. Visit the Giropay website or open the Giropay app. Enter your login credentials, including your username and password, to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Transactions section. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Transactions or Transaction History. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard of your account. Step 3. Select the date range. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realize it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your transactions. After setting the date range, your transaction history will be displayed. Browse through the list to find specific transactions, including details such as dates, amounts, and descriptions. Step 5. Export or print your history. If you need a physical copy or a digital file of your transaction history, look for options to export or print the information. This is usually available as a button or link within the transaction section. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Giropay. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Giropay customer support for assistance.